Hey guys, one thing about it that we all know is fishing never ceases to change. And with all the high dollar stuff we're using today, forward facing sonar, the cost of units, you've got to make sure you've got your investments, basically protected. And when it comes to BeatDown, they have literally got you covered from bow to stern. We're going to get out on the water. We're going to go through the whole lineup of BeatDown products, starting with the 0-degree mount, moving on. So be sure and stay tuned. When it comes to fishing these days, forward-facing sonar has completely changed every aspect of what we do. When it comes to forward-facing sonar, this BeatDown 0-degree mount is really the cat's meow. When you put it in the water, you can truly see the difference just because that thing is actually at 0 degrees. So you're seeing things straight on. Whether you're trying to follow a bait, if you're looking at, fish in logs, things like that. It just, everything about it, you don't have to follow the image. See, there's the log all the way down, and the reason for that is because that 0 degree is getting every bit of it. It's not shooting off at the side. Another thing when it comes to forward-facing sonar that BeatDown has really got conquered is just simply the fact of making it easier on us as anglers. This is the ultimate shorty double stack. And the thing that's so cool about this is just simply the fact that when I'm really focusing on forward-facing sonar fishing, when I'm out there chasing them, all I got to do is unloosen this, raise it up one level, and I can get that thing up where I'm not constantly, bent over, hunched over looking at it. It is a great way to take the pressure off your back and make everything you're seeing right there a little bit more visible. Another super critical thing, when you think about how many dollars worth of units I've got here, I've got like $8,000 worth of units. When you buy a BeatDown product, you're buying something that you know is going to keep everything secure. It's all machined. It is put together, it's durable, honest to goodness. And I'm not saying you need to do this, but I literally put the base plate, screw it down, and I don't worry about it anymore. It is there, it's secure. I've run in all kinds of conditions. Swivel, does everything you need it to do. So one of the things that I love about the BeatDown console mount is this sheer adjustability of it. Just simply the fact that you can loosen it and you can slide it, turn it, move it in, out. It gives me a clear view anytime I'm running down the water. It cinches down to where, it's not moving. You can also turn it this way, that way for your partners. Even when you put the cover on your boat, just having that adjustability allows everything to fit better. Solid, rock solid. Through bolts right here to the console, slide bar on both sides, complete adjustability. That's what I love about the BeatDown console mount. One thing I'll have to say is BeatDown's got you covered all the way from the bow, all the way to the rear of your boat. Be sure and check out all the BeatDown products, beatdownoutdoors.com.